Welcome to the Luxor gaming stool assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, they will contain the disc or four-leg base, a J-bar with a handle, the backrest, the seat pad and the swivel. They will also contain all the hardware, including 4 spacers and nylock nuts, 8 washers and 4 each of the 55, 45, 25 and 15mm screws. The tools you will need are both a 4 and 5mm Allen key drill bit, a 10mm spanner and thread lock. Part 1. Start by placing the swivel on top of the base, lining up the holes. Place the 15mm screws into the 4 corner holes of the swivel through to the base plate. Grab a washer and pair it with a nylock nut, securing them onto the end of the screws. Use the spanner to hold each of the nuts in place and tighten the screws with the 4mm drill. Part 2. Firstly, apply thread lock to the holes on the backrest. Place the J-bar on the shell with the handle on top and line up the holes. Use the 25mm screws, placing them into the holes and tightening them with the 5mm drill piece. Part 3. Position the seat face down on the bench and apply thread lock into the holes. Grab the backrest with the J-bar and place it on the seat, lining up the holes. Use the 45mm screws and place them into the holes, tightening them gradually with the 4mm drill. Next, place the spacers over the remaining outer holes. Thread the remaining washers onto the end of the 55mm screws. Carefully place the base on top of the seat, making sure the holes are lining up with the spacers. Finally, use the 4mm drill to secure the screws through the base and into the seat. The Luxor gaming stool is one of our most popular designs, featuring its ergonomic seat formation, soft curved back and J-bar with a handle for easy manoeuvrability. The swivel is non-return and all our gaming stools are also available in the 4-leg base, which adhere to the same assembly instructions as the disc.